All right, we have breaking updates now coming in. DK Shivkumar is likely to take oath on the 3rd of June, and there will be at least 9 ministers who will be taking oath with him. My colleague Imran is getting us this information. Imran, so June 3rd, that seems to be the date that is decided for DK Shivkumar to take oath as the chief minister. Of course, an official word is still awaited on that. But also, there are going to be others who will take oath with him. 9 ministers. Who all will it be? What are the details?
Well, yeah, so Times Now had broken the story that the June 3rd will be, where the vote-taking ceremony will be there day for yesterday, and now DK Shivkumar himself has confirmed that, vote-taking ceremony will be on 3rd. Along with him, 10 other ministers will be taking oath, including HK Patil, and also, Priyank Kharge, MP Patil, and also Parameshwara, KJ George. All the senior leaders, Ramlinga Reddy, who are part of the senior members of the earlier cabinet, will be taking oath, along with a few new names. But important is that now who will the party president, because there's still fight happening over this, because Satish Jarkali is putting his foot down that he wants both party president post and the ministry, but the High Command is asking him to choose one, because as a rule they have kept now is the one person one post. So there's still negotiations happening over that. Will be shortly. Also the speaker's post is also being under discussion now, where various other names are being floated. But one thing confirmed, after the CLP meet today, many of the leaders will go to Delhi, and the final discussion about cabinet and party president will be done tomorrow. And then for 3rd, they'll be taking oath there in Bangalore. DK Shivkumar as a chief minister, along with 10 other senior members of as part of the cabinet.
Okay, so DK Shivkumar himself confirming the date. Let's listen in. All right. Let's play out that reaction in just a moment. I'm told we have that reaction. All right, let's play it.
Going for a CLP meeting from now. Mangalore Eban is there. Sir, oath will be on 3rd, sir. Babu. Going for a CLP meeting from now. Mangalore Eban is there. Sir, oath will be on 3rd, sir. Babu. Going for a CLP meeting from now. Mangalore Eban is there. Sir, oath will be on 3rd, sir. Babu. Hey.
And even before the dust settles on Karnataka's leadership transition, attention is already also shifting on the new cabinet, with sources telling Times Now that DK Shivkumar has also used his trip to Delhi with a list of probable ministers that he wants in his cabinet, key leaders who are expected to play a significant role in the cabinet. Let's take a look at who are the probables. Priyank Kharge is one of the senior leaders. He is already a minister in the Karnataka cabinet, and he is likely to be retained yet again, and so is G. Parameshwara. Now remember, we told you that the Congress party is keen to have a caste balance in the cabinet, and both Priyank Kharge and G. Parameshwar are from the Dalit community. From the ST community, Satish Jarkali is likely to be in the cabinet. In fact, he is also the front runner to be the state president of the party. Apart from Satish Jarkali, there will be a representation from the community, from B. Nagendra as well. Apart from that, as a Vokkaliga strongman, DK Shivkumar becomes the chief minister, there will be multiple Lingayat leaders in the cabinet as well, including the veteran Congress leader HK Patil, as well as MB Patil and Lakshmi Hebbalkar. There will be representation from the minority community as well. Zamir Ahmed Khan as well as UT Khadar are expected to be in the cabinet.
Joining with us is senior leader and probably the next president of the Congress party of Karnataka, Mr. Satish Jarkali. Sir, it's almost confirmed you are going to be the next party president. Is going to have announced a CLP, sir?
Not yet confirmed. अभी तो confirm नहीं हुआ है. शाम तक देखेंगे. सुरजेवाला साहब केसी वेणु जी आ रहा है. जी. आने के बाद सिद्धरामैया जी और DK शिवकुमार जी चर्चा होने के बाद उसका नतीजा निकलेंगे. शाम तक नहीं तो कल तक वेट करेंगे.
सर, ऑलमोस्ट CLP है. क्या आप उसको रन डाउन करेंगे? क्या होने वाला है CLP में, सर?
CLP तो वो सिर्फ CLP का है, फॉर्मल मीटिंग है. DK शिवकुमार CLP लीडर बनेंगे, उसका ही मीटिंग है. बाकी कुछ नहीं है, ये अध्यक्ष का बात में शायद चर्चा हो जाएंगे।
कुछ इश्यूज हैं सर अध्यक्ष को लेकर, क्या आपके कुछ डिमांड्स हैं इसको लेकर?
नहीं, कुछ डिमांड नहीं, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है ये तो वरिष्ठ लोग हैं वो करेंगे।
सर कैबिनेट एक्सपेंशन का कुछ उसका
वो
डिस्कशन?
पता नहीं, वो वहाँ तक अभी तक हम नहीं गए हैं, उसके बाद में देखेंगे।
ठीक है सर, शुक्रिया।
जिस बेदर्दी के साथ, जिस क्रूरता के साथ राहुल गांधी ने सिद्धारमैया जो वहाँ के पिछड़े समाज के एक बहुत मजबूत नेता थे उनको ढकेल करके बाहर किया है, उससे राहुल गांधी पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो गए हैं। वो सिर्फ दो ही काम करते हैं, दलित पिछड़ा, दलित पिछड़ा, दलित पिछड़ा। अकेला प्रदेश जहाँ एक पिछड़ा वर्ग का आदमी मजबूती के साथ सत्ता पर बैठा हुआ था, उन्होंने निकाल के उसको मक्खी की तरह, जैसे दूध में से मक्खी फेंकते हैं वैसे ही सिद्धारमैया को निकाल के फेंक दिया। वो अच्छी तरह इस बात को जानते हैं कि इस बियावन जंगल में आकर के वो गायब हो जाएंगे। वो वहाँ लड़े रहना चाहते हैं क्योंकि उनके अहंकार को चोट पहुंची है, उनके स्वाभिमान को चोट पहुंची है।
Sir, what is expected in the CLP? What will follow?
Resolution.
And after that?
After that, resolution will be forwarded to governor.
And sir, when is Chief Minister taking ceremony expected, sir?
Wait for some time. I'll check and tell.
So today only decision will be taken.
Yes.
And after that?
After that, the resolution will be forwarded to governor. Then governor will call.
And sir, this is expected when, sir?
Today.
Today.
Vote taking, huh?
Vote taking.
Not today.
Okay.
Let me wait for 1 hour.
Okay. It is saying the third is a vote taking ceremony.
I don't know.
And well, now you can also watch Times Now on Times Play, available on all major apps and app stores. Quick break, we'll be right back.